I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you messing around the brand, are you happy? Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. They got me in therapist to tell me there's other men I want, and I just want you. Can't have you, no one should have mine. I look like this, not the best idea. Here's no mistakes.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a spend the week with me vlog. So yes, I was supposed to film yesterday but I forgot, but basically what just happened was school, and today's Thursday. All I really did was like just went to cheer practice. That's it. No, cheer tryouts, but I gotta get my physical done before I could like be in for real. I have to go again on Thursday. I'm getting my physical done like November 9th. So yeah. But like, oh my edges. Ooh, ew, just not eating. Okay, I'm gonna fix that. Anyway, so today I'm just gonna go to school. Yeah, boring school. But I'm probably gonna go to Costco later too. So I'm gonna get what should I get Wingstop today or tomorrow? That's my uncle. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna get Wingstop today or tomorrow, but like I'm gonna update y'all on that. So see y'all outside. Hey guys, so today is Wednesday. I was gonna say Wednesday because of how teachers keep saying it, and I hate when they say Wednesday. Like, just say Wednesday. Anyway, yeah, today's Wednesday, and I have school again. But I don't think I'm gonna vlog that much today because there's not really anything happening. And I decided I'm gonna get Wingstop either tomorrow or Friday. So yeah, but can we just appreciate how strong I am? Because yesterday, right, I went to Costco and I had cramps. I was like, and I still wet. Like, I could have really stayed home, but I stayed strong. Like, let's appreciate that. Yeah, like I said, I don't think I'm gonna vlog that much today. I might. Tomorrow, I'm probably just gonna vlog like cheer and stuff like that. So yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later or tomorrow because I don't know when I'm gonna see you. Okay guys, so now today is Thursday. I almost said Wednesday. Today I'm gonna get my Wingstop and go to cheer tryouts and see what they be doing. And yeah, that's basically all I'm gonna be doing for now that I know of. But yeah, I need to go, y'all. I need to go to school. Okay guys, so today is Friday. I really don't think I'm gonna vlog like nothing today. Like, I mean serious, like what am I, like I don't have cheer today. Like I don't think I'm gonna vlog anything today. Or tomorrow. I don't think I'm gonna vlog at all. Like hopefully I do. Cause I don't know what I'm gonna do these other days, so yeah. But I mean I probably will. I'll probably try to find something to vlog. But yeah. Anyways, bye guys, gotta go to school.
I done fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but and I know from the first time I seen your love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I will fall for you. You got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell so deep, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I done fell so deep, cause everyone falls.
Hey guys, so today is Saturday. Like, so I'm not gonna vlog that much today because it's just a chill day and I'm not doing much today, I think. So yeah, but I don't know when I'm gonna post this because I'm gonna vlog tomorrow. I might also vlog on Thursday or Wednesday because me and my friends are planning to match PJs, so I want to vlog that. So but I don't know what else I'm gonna do though, so I might post this like Thursday, but I'm not gonna like, I don't know. You know what? Y'all will see, because I don't know what's even going on with this video for real. But yeah, I'll see y'all later or tomorrow. Hey guys, so now I gotta unbox this package from Shein, so come do it with me.
I know that I would fall for you. You got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell too deep, baby. Oops, I think you got me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. I'm falling, but everyone falls in love sometimes. I don't know why you, but it ain't a crime. Little let me love you, love you, love you, love you for a long time, baby.
Okay guys, before I like share what I got, I'll talk to y'all. Tell me why SpeedX is delivering my stuff, right? They leave my package, not at my doorstep, not at my mailbox, not in my mailbox. Like, you know how like in the apartment there's like a front door, you gotta ring the bells and stuff like that? They leave it there. They left it in the lobby where you gotta ring the bells and stuff like that. Somebody could have came in and just took my stuff. I'm gonna show you guys my stuff now. I had leggings, but I lost it, so I got another pair. These look mad. I mean, I forgot leggings are supposed to look tiny and then they stretch out when you wear it. I'm trusting the process. I'm gonna trust the process. I'm really trying to trust the process. Like, these. Because I get so scared. And I'm too lazy to try it on. Then I got a black zip up. This thing is so tiny. Oh, now I got a sweater. This is my first sweater set. The pants probably gonna be short on lunch. With this hoodie. And yeah. That's my little haul. I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye.
What? Girl.
What is it? What is this?
Girl, look at it. Okay, so Diarra took like hours for me to come to her house, and then she wanna get mad happy when I brought her this.
Oh my God, I'm not mad no more.
Girl.
Oh my God, stop playing with me. Oh my God. I'm so happy. Like, wait. I'm scared. Is it this way? It was not big. Oh my God, it's so big. I'm scared again. Okay, I'm gonna shut up because I'm not going to
You got tape.
That's not clear. Stop! Oh, I'm so happy. I owe you. Get you guys from like mine. Like,
There's the one with the mask on him and the one.